वो क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? वो पढ़ाई कर रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. तुम्हारा दोस्त कहाँ रहता है? Where does your friend live? Where does your friend live? वो शहर में रहता है. He lives in the city. He lives in the city. क्या तुम्हें बारिश पसंद है? Do you like the rain? Do you like the rain? हाँ, मुझे बारिश बहुत पसंद है. Yes, I like the rain a lot. Yes, I like the rain a lot. क्या तुमने आज कुछ खाया? Did you eat anything today? Did you eat anything today? हाँ, मैंने खाना खा लिया. Yes, I ate food. Yes, I ate food. तुमने किससे मुलाकात की? Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? मैंने अपने दोस्तों से मुलाकात की. I met my friends. I met my friends. तुम्हें ये फिल्म कैसी लगी? How did you like this movie? How did you like this movie? मुझे ये फिल्म बहुत पसंद आई. I really liked this movie. I really liked this movie. क्या तुम कल आ सकते हो? Can you come tomorrow? Can you come tomorrow? हाँ, मैं कल आ सकता हूँ. Yes, I can come tomorrow. Yes, I can come tomorrow. तुम्हें कब जाना है? When do you need to leave? When do you need to leave? मुझे शाम तक जाना है. I need to leave by evening. I need to leave by evening. तुमने वो किताब कब पढ़ी? When did you read that book? When did you read that book? मैंने वो किताब कल पढ़ी. I read that book yesterday. I read that book yesterday. तुमने अपने दोस्तों को क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call your friends? Why did you call your friends? मुझे उससे कुछ पूछना था. I had to ask him something. I had to ask him something. तुम क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing? What were you doing? मैं टीवी देख रहा था. I was watching TV. I was watching TV. वो कहाँ चला गया? Where did he go? Where did he go? वो पार्क में चला गया. He went to the park. He went to the park. तुम कितने बजे सोए? What time did you sleep? What time did you sleep? मैं रात 10 बजे सोया. I slept at 10 p.m. I slept at 10 p.m. तुमने किससे मदद ली? Whom did you take help from? Whom did you take help from? मैंने अपने शिक्षक से मदद ली. I took help from my teacher. I took help from my teacher. तुम्हें ये कैसा लगा? How did you find this? How did you find this? मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked it very much. I liked it very much. वो कब तक आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? वो आधे घंटे में आ जाएगा. He will come in half an hour. He will come in half an hour. ये कौन सी जगह है? What place is this? What place is this? ये एक प्रसिद्ध बाजार है. This is a famous market. This is a famous market. तुम्हें वो गाना कैसा लगा? How did you like that song? How did you like that song? मुझे वो गाना बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked that song very much. I liked that song very much. तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मैं कुछ दिनों तक रहूँगा. I will stay for a few days. I will stay for a few days. तुम्हारे साथ कौन था? Who was with you? Who was with you? मेरा भाई मेरे साथ था. My brother was with me. My brother was with me. तुमने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? मैंने एक नई किताब खरीदी. I bought a new book. I bought a new book. ये किसकी कार है? Whose car is this? Whose car is this? ये मेरे पिताजी की कार है. This is my father's car. This is my father's car. तुमने इसे क्यों नहीं बुलाया? Why did you call him? Why did you call him? मैं उसे बुलाना भूल गया. I forgot to call him. I forgot to call him. तुमने ये कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep this? Where did you keep this? मैंने इसे अलमारी में रखा. I kept it in the cupboard. I kept it in the cupboard. तुम कब तैयार होगे? When will you be ready? When will you be ready? मैं 5 मिनट में तैयार हो जाऊंगा. I will be ready in 5 minutes. I will be ready in 5 minutes. वो क्या कह रहा था? What was he saying? What was he saying? वो कोई कहानी सुना रहा था. He was telling a story. He was telling a story. वो किसके साथ आया? Whom did he come with? Whom did he come with? वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ आया. He came with his friends. He came with his friends. तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? मैंने ये तुम्हारी मदद के लिए किया. I did this to help you. I did this to help you. तुम कल कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? मैं कल घर पर था. I was at home yesterday. I was at home yesterday. वो कितने बजे चला गया? What time did he leave? What time did he leave? वो सुबह 9 बजे चला गया. He left at 9 a.m. He left at 9 a.m. तुम अब क्या करोगे? What will you do now? What will you do now? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? मैंने उसे सब कुछ बताया. I told him everything. I told him everything. वो कौन सी भाषा बोलता है? Which language does he speak? Which language does he speak? वो हिंदी बोलता है. He speaks Hindi. He speaks Hindi. तुम्हें कौन सी किताब चाहिए? Which book do you need? Which book do you need? मुझे विज्ञान की किताब चाहिए. I need a science book. I need a science book. क्या तुमने ये सुना? Did you hear this? Did you hear this? हाँ, मैंने ये सुना. Yes, I heard this. Yes, I heard this. वो तुम्हें क्यों बुला रहा था? Why was he calling you? Why was he calling you? उसने मुझसे कुछ पूछना था. He wanted to ask me something. He wanted to ask me something. तुमने ये कब बनाया? When did you make this? When did you make this? मैंने ये कल बनाया. I made this yesterday. I made this yesterday. तुमने उसे कब बताया था? When did you tell him? When did you tell him? मैंने उसे सुबह बताया था. I told him in the morning. I told him in the morning. कौन आ रहा था? Who was coming? Who was coming? मेरे दोस्त आ रहे थे. My friends were coming. My friends were coming. तुमने कितनी देर इंतजार किया? How long did you wait? How long did you wait? मैंने 1 घंटे तक इंतजार किया. I waited for an hour. I waited for an hour. तुम्हारा पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? मेरा पसंदीदा रंग नीला है. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? हाँ, मैंने कुछ कहा. Yes, I said something. Yes, I said something. वो किसके साथ खेल रहा था? Whom was he playing with? Whom was he playing with? वो अपने भाई के साथ खेल रहा था. He was playing with his brother. He was playing with his brother. तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? मैं बताना भूल गया था. I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you. तुम्हें किससे मिलना है? Whom do you need to meet? Whom do you need to meet? मुझे अपने शिक्षक से मिलना है. I need to meet my teacher. I need to meet my teacher. तुम किसके साथ आ रहे हो? Whom are you coming with? Whom are you coming with? मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ आ रहा हूं. I am coming with my friend. I am coming with my friend. ये किसने किया था? Who did this? Who did this? ये मेरे भाई ने किया था. My brother did this. My brother did this. तुम्हें ये कैसा लगा? How did you feel about this? How did you feel about this? मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. I felt very good about this. I felt very good about this. तुमने किसे बुलाया था? Whom did you call? Whom did you call? मैंने अपने दोस्त को बुलाया था. I called to my friend. I called to my friend. वो कब तक रुकेगा? How long will he stay? How long will he stay? वो 2 दिन तक रुकेगा. He will stay for 2 days. He will stay for 2 days. तुमने वो फिल्म देखी? Did you watch that movie? Did you watch that movie? हाँ, मैंने वो फिल्म देखी. Yes, I watched that movie. Yes, I watched that movie. तुम अब कहाँ हो? Where are you now? Where are you now? मैं अभी घर पर हूँ. I am at home now. I am at home now. तुमने इसे कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? मैंने इसे पिछले हफ्ते खरीदा. I bought this last week. I bought this last week. तुमने खाना कब खाया था? When did you eat food? When did you eat food? मैंने सुबह खाना खाया था. I ate food in the morning. I ate food in the morning. ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? ये मेरे पिताजी के लिए है. This is for my father. This is for my father. तुमने मुझे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? मुझे तुमसे कुछ पूछना था. I wanted to ask you something. I wanted to ask you something. वो कब तक आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? वो 1 घंटे में आएगा. He will come in an hour. He will come in an hour. तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? मुझे क्रिकेट पसंद है. I like cricket. I like cricket. वो किससे बात कर रहा था? Who was he talking to? Who was he talking to? वो अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहा था. He was talking to his friend. He was talking to his friend. तुमने किताब कहाँ रखी? Where did you keep the book? Where did you keep the book? मैंने किताब अलमारी में रखी. I kept the book in the cupboard. I kept the book in the cupboard. क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? हाँ, मैंने अपना होमवर्क पूरा किया. Yes, I completed my homework. Yes, I completed my homework. वो कब वापस आएगा? When will he come back? When will he come back? वो शाम को लौट आएगा. He will return in the evening. He will return in the evening. तुमने अपना फोन कहाँ छोड़ा? Where did you leave your phone? Where did you leave your phone? मैंने फोन टेबल पर रखा. I left the phone on the table. I left the phone on the table. उसने किससे बात की? Whom did he talk to? Whom did he talk to? उसने अपने दोस्त से बात की थी. He talked to his friend. He talked to his friend. तुमने अपना खाना खा लिया? Did you eat your food? Did you eat your food? हाँ, मैंने अपना खाना खा लिया. Yes, I ate my food. Yes, I ate my food. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नई सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.